Hello, my name is Lisa Toller, and I would like to get this community started on a wellness program. The health issue is obesity and the health issues that come with it and a sedentary lifestyle. Everyone is affected by this because you don't have to be obese to suffer the effects of a sedentary lifestyle. Those who are affected already know some of the effects thereof. They can include sleep apnea, other sleep disorders, hypertension and heart disease, type 2 diabetes, stroke, gallbladder disease, osteoarthritis, some cancers, mental illness, and low quality of life. When one is obese, the risk of suffering any of these health issues runs very high. The wellness program I propose will help with everyone's quality of life and can be a life-changing experience for our overweight and obese community members. I'm calling for a policy to be put in place to publicly fund wellness centers all over town to promote the health of this community. The funding policy that I propose is an effort to allow our residents to become more involved in an active lifestyle at no cost or very low cost to them. The wellness centers involved in the program will provide nutrition education involving classes on cooking and eating healthier, as well as spa services and a 24-hour gym access in order to reduce stress. This will be a long-term program that will be governed by an assurance committee comprised of community members themselves. Freeze has noted that obesity has reached epidemic levels in the United States. I believe this has happened because it takes much more than a shot to get obesity under control. We will need to put forth an aggressive and tightly concerted effort in order to start this program on solid ground. No one wants to change their lifestyle unless they're very comfortable with how they are presently. Even then, the comfort of familiarity wins out most of the time. The Community Health Needs Assessment Survey, or CHNA, of the Louisville Metro Department of Public Health and Wellness has seen vast improvements since implementing a community-focused wellness movement. This is what I would like to see done here. Having ready access to health improvements such as nutrition education and exercise options will encourage more to make healthy choices as a team effort, much like a community should be. Some key findings in the CHNA survey of 2015 are improvements in healthcare costs and more focus on community involvement for improving overall health for the city. When thinking of the community in this close-knit way, one thinks of the relationships that we all encounter every day and how we feel about each other. This is community involvement. Each of us feels this when we go to work, when we see our coworkers. And in our work community, we are subject to what is available, just like in our living community. Gannon, 2008, reports that Johnson & Johnson, a 4-year wellness program, I'm sorry, Johnson & Johnson implemented a 4-year wellness program involving more than 18,000 workers. After this wellness program was implemented, this saved the corporation $8.5 million per year in reduced health care costs. This is only with providing for and encouraging the workers to use it. Now in a community, it's no different, and even utilizing the recreation program 2 or 3 times a week will be beneficial in a profound way. When we add incentives and a community challenge or other records to encourage each other, we will find the cost of healthcare dropping drastically as the gross cost of insurance decreases with less use. This is actually helping with some of the larger companies in America. Why can't we apply this policy and provide the same to our community? Everyone deserves a high quality of life, An extended sedentary lifestyle coupled with poor nutrition can lead to obesity and a host of other health problems. If this can be prevented or corrected, we owe it to our community to try. The important thing to remember is that everyone can benefit from this, from young to old. With continuous funding provided for this program, our community can thrive for generations to come.